Hi friends, how are you today? Are you ready? Today we're going to learn phonics. Our topic for today is the letter E. Now friends, do you still remember the last time we discussed about the letter E? The letter E makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Do you still remember that? Now can you follow me and repeat after me? E makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Now I hope you didn't forget the song that we learned. Remember the vowel sound that I taught you before? It goes like this. A says ah, ah. E says eh, eh. I says e, 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 e. O says oh. U says A, E, I, O, U. Okay, I hope you still remember that song. Now I want to show you today the things that begins with the letter E. Now what are the things that begins with the letter E? Now do you see the picture here? What picture is this? It's a picture of an egg. Egg has the beginning sound eh, eh, egg. Now let's look at the next picture. The next picture is, what's this? This is our elbow. Elbow. It also begins with the eh, eh sound. What about the next picture? If you want to send a letter, you should use this one. This is called envelope. Envelope. It also has the beginning sound eh, eh, eh. How about this next picture? Does this begin with the eh, eh sound? No, that is an airplane. An airplane begins with the ah, ah sound. This next picture is an elevator. If you want to go to the second floor, third floor, you should use an elevator so you don't get so tired using the stairs. Usually you'll find an elevator inside a mall or a really tall building. So that's all for the letter E today. And this concludes our phonics lesson for today. And I hope you will have a nice day. I'll see you again next time. Bye!